welcome to my channel. Friends, the front door is the first interaction guests have with a home. It sets expectations for the interior design. A beautifully designed door enhances the exterior look, adding value and aesthetic appeal. So today our topic is door designs for your home decoration. Friends, many cultures believe that a vibrant and well-maintained door brings good fortune and positivity. The door style should match the home's architectural theme. For example, rustic wood doors suit cottages, while minimalist glass doors fit contemporary homes. Friends, homeowners can choose design that resonate with their taste, whether it is a vintage look with ironwork or a chic modern panel. Interior doors should align with room themes. For instances, sliding barn doors are great for farmhouse decor, while French doors enhances the classic interiors. Friends, unique door designs can become a conversation starter and draw attention within the space. Sliding doors and pocket doors save space, making them ideal for smaller rooms or compact layouts. Glass partition doors maintain openness while still defining separate areas. This is especially useful in open plan living. Solid wood doors reduce noise, providing privacy in bedrooms and studies. Well-insulated doors help maintain temperature, reducing energy cost. Reinforced doors with lock enhances safety without compromising on style. Glass panel doors allow natural light to filter through, brightening the interiors and creating a more inviting atmosphere. French doors used in patios and living rooms to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Translucent and frosted glass maintains privacy while still letting light pass through. Great for bathrooms and offices. Illuminated doors frame designs sometimes incorporated LED lighting for added elegance and visibility. Wooden doors add warmth and traditional charm. Popular choices include oak, walnut, and mahogany. Glass and metal combos offer a modern, sleek look perfect for contemporary settings. Fiberglass and steels are durable and secure, suitable for exterior doors, especially in harsh climates. From rustic, distressed wood to smooth, glossy finishes, textured and patterned finishes plays a key role in setting the mood. Friends, painted doors can pop with vibrant colors, while stained wood shows natural grain pattern. It depends on your mood. Custom carvings and inlays reflect cultural heritage of family values. Unique handles and knobs or decorative hardware can add a touch of personality. In color psychology, bold red doors used for vibrancy, navy for elegance, or pastel hues for a calming effect. In case of seasonal door, wreath, hanging signs, and temporary embellishments keep the entrance dynamic and inviting. Friends, when talking about DIY door makeovers, painting or adding decorative panels to existing doors can refresh the look without a complete replacement. In many cultures, the front door holds symbolic importance. Red for luck, in Chinese culture and are intricate carvings in South Asian homes. Arched doors in Mediterranean homes are engraved doors in Moroccan architecture reflect cultural stories and legacies. Friends, these are beautiful ideas. You can use them in your home. Friends, you can choose freely. Please comment which design you like most and also share my video to your friends who love these ideas. And friends, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz. Take care.